catch bell for click 125 and click 150. So meron tayong catch bell dito, tatlo. Plain, groove, tsaka catch bell na lighten na groove. So check natin tong bell na plain. Ito yung tsura niya. Yan. Sa groove naman, ito. Yan, groove type. And ito naman, ito magaan to na bell. At saka maganda yung groove. Yan, check natin. Yan. Yung. So, ito yung clutch bell natin for click 125 and click 150. Iba-ibang tsura. Yan. Iba-ibang type. Plain type, groove, and light and bell, groove. So, available to our shop. Kindly visit us and message us. Thank you. Bye-bye.